Hello and good morning, guys. How was your night? I hope you all are doing great, guys. I come to you guys again with this golden powerful strategy. Like I always promise, I will do more elaborate explanation, but from the videos I keep posting, I keep giving tips on how the strategy work. So I took care. First of all, look at what I did. Why did I take this trade? I have an ongoing trade. So why did I take this trade, guys? Now take a look, guys. Let's maximize it a bit. Why did I take this? First of all, before you take a trade in a day, you first of all identify the high from the 15, 30, or 1 hour time frame. You identify the high, the previous high, the previous high. That's the other day high. You identify it with a horizontal trend line. Good. And you also identify the low of the previous day. You understand? You identify the low of the previous day. Good. And now look at what you do. Now take a look. You can see that I've already made a trend line, a horizontal trend line, identifying that it was a bullish market. The trend was bullish. Understand? So we are trying to identify the trend direction for the current day. So the reason why I'm making all these trend line is to be able to identify the trend direction. You get it, guys? So just take the step by step, the way I keep explaining. So I identified those trend line. I made the horizontal trend line, guys. So what did I do again? Now take a look. I was able to identify divergence in this current trade. Now take a look at the current chart. You can see that we have the market was trending upward, and from our indicator window, which is the Trader Dynamic Index, the TDI. Can you see? It gave us the downward trend. Telling us that the trend is going down. So we patiently waited. I patiently waited for a retest. I patiently waited for a retest. Can you see? It came down. It came down. The trend came down and went up, retested before coming down. So I'm expecting the trend to drop. This is a V50, volatility 50 index. So I'm expecting a downtrend for today, guys. So that's it. And for me to, can you see the horizontal line that I made? It got to that place and reversed. It got to that place and reversed. And since then, I have been riding the trade. So it is going down. It is just like that. And now, once it comes to TDI, apart from the divergence, I always talk about TDI. Whenever the TDI gets to the oversold level, it tends to go down. If you happen to get a crossover there, I say if you happen to get a crossover there, that's a downtrend. And also, whenever the TDI makes a shark fin, I call this a shark fin. Whenever the green line pops out of the lower Bollinger Band, it goes up. It gives an uptrend. Can you see that? Good. So whenever it gives a so whenever it gives us any crossover at all, it gives up any crossover, it goes down. So guys, you can see the current trade that I am in. This is the current trade. Can you see? Pushing it from $7 this morning to $31. So now take a look at our V10. Take a look at our V10. What did I do here? Just like the same explanation I gave you guys. Excuse me. Just like the same explanation I gave you guys. I was able to identify the high, the previous high of yesterday, and identify the low of yesterday. Can you see? Already, I made a trend line to identify the trend direction. Identify the trend direction. Can you see? It's telling us that the trend is going down. It's a downtrend. Can you see that, guys? Telling us that it is a downtrend. So what did I do, guys? What did I do, guys? I've already identified the previous high and the previous low. So now look at what happened here, guys. Now the price have already tested tested this high, and it came down. It came down. And you see that, and tested this low and made a retracement upward. And you see it made a retracement before coming down to the low, before coming down to this low. So from my from the TDI, I already know that there was a crossover here. I've seen the crossover. Understand? And also, judging from the higher time frame, which is a H1, I've already seen that there is a crossover and also a shark fin here, telling me that there is a possible downtrend. So I quickly joined the trend. Once I had a breakout, the price broke the previous low. Once it broke it, I joined the trend and started riding the trend downward, and it kept on going. So I am expecting to take my TP at this H4. So I've already now these are major support level in H4. So I've already marked out there where I will be taking my TP. You can see where I put my TP there. You see, so I'm expecting to take my TP at that level. So if you are able to take these steps that I have explained, it's so simple. You don't have to jump into trade anytime, any day. You don't have to jump into trade. Once you are able to make your analysis, and you don't have to crowd your chart with so many indicators. One indicator that you are conversant with is okay, is enough. It is enough for you. Can you see where I took the trend from? From M1. Can you see? It kept on going down. Can you see that? It's simple as that. It kept on going down. You see? So you don't have to jump trade and fill your heart with so much anxiety. With simple analysis, you can always hit the market hard, like I've always been posting, guys. With simple analysis, the market is all yours. It's all yours for the take, guys. You see? Can you see that? You can see the results. And it kept on going. Keep on going, guys. So I want you guys to also apply this same analysis that I gave to you guys. Once you are able to mark the previous high and previous low, and you make your trend line, be it upward trend line or downward trend line, you will be able to identify breakout. Once there's a breakout, there's a possible retest, and if there's no retest, your indicator will show you that. So I want you guys to method apply this same method, and I will be expecting your result. And anywhere you are facing difficulty, I'm always available to attend to you guys. Always available to attend to you. Thank you guys, and have a blessed day. And I will share the settings with you guys once again. So in the main chart we have our moving average. Okay, this is our moving average. There is a period 21, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. So here I'm using a 4 pixel, and you use the color of your choice. And the second one is our fractal. We have our fractal here. That's the style is a 2 pixel. The essence and the use of our fractal is to enable us know the direction of the trend, and in easy use of the trend line. So this is our parabolic star. The next one is our parabolic star. Okay, the parameters are step 0.02, the maximum 0.2, the style is 2 pixel, and use the color of your choice. So in our indicator window 1, we have our relative strength index. These are relative strength index. So the parameters are period 14, apply to close. The styles are So the style is 1 pixel, and you use the color of your chat background. You use the color of your chat background. So these are the levels. These are the levels, right? The 50, you have a 50, 32 as oversold, 68 as overbought. So the style is 2 pixel. You use the color of your choice. And the next one is a moving average. Moving average. So the parameters are period 2, shift 0. The method is simple. Apply to previous indicators data. The style is 4 pixel, and I'm using green. Use the color of your choice. So the next one is a moving average. We have our parameters as period 7, shift 0. Method simple. Apply to previous indicators data, and the style is a 4 pixel. Use the color of your choice. And the next one is our Bollinger Band. The parameters are period 34, deviation 1.619. The shift is 0. Apply to first indicators data. The style is 3 pixel, and use the color of your choice. The last and not the least is our moving average. The parameters are period is 34, shift 0. Method simple. Apply to first indicators data. The style is a 4 pixel. Use the color of your choice. So that's it, guys.